Wait, let me get this started. Hold up. There we go. All right. Let me restart this. Okay, so what I meant was with this feature, I've been working on it like for so long that like I think I'm done. But the only thing that I need to like do to make sure that it's done is because wait, let me start it up. The only thing that I really need to do is have a history page to where I can see like all of my past changeovers, and then that's it. Like from the dashboard, that's really where I want to, you know, have it. But yeah. Um Now the only thing is to have a dedicated page like I have right hello right here. It's not going to go anywhere, but I want this link to work so that it does past changeovers like this. So, yeah. Yeah, or at least like sort it out somehow. Figure out a better way to sort it. I don't know cuz I don't want to have it just list every changeover that I've ever done. Maybe like a by line and then by product kind of thing. Kind of like I have it on here, by line and then whoa, by line and then interesting. Wait, hold up. Hold up. No. Really? That's interesting. I need to fix that. So I've never had a problem ever? What is this? 190. That's weird. I need to fix that before I move on to any other feature. Yeah, it doesn't yeah, that's not good. But uh like right here, I think I may change it in the Firebase console in my database to manually change this to not change over, just inactive, and then start it tomorrow. Start a changeover tomorrow. I don't know what I want to do because the priority is this line, but I'm sparingly doing a changeover whenever I get some free time on this line. So yeah. Um yeah. How about this? I go to lines. Lines. F2. Just say hello. Inactive? No. Well, sure, but inactive? Because there isn't a changeover right there. Wait, he said 2 month or 2 week? Hold up. I thought I saw 2 week. Oh, yeah, 2 weeks. I was about to say, whoa. I don't know if his job would approve 2 months. Hold up. All right. Does this show up now? Max is only 1 month. Yeah. I don't know if this even counts. You know what? It does count. I don't know. Sorry. Question. Question. Is that 1 month to a European country and 20 days to anywhere else? Or is that an either or kind of situation to where you have to either choose 20 days somewhere else, like Australia or like Egypt, and then you can't go anywhere else? Oh, never mind. Never mind. My bad. My bad. My bad. Hmm. Hmm. But okay, wait. Question: in Ireland, you still have holidays, right? This works. That works. Like mandatory holiday to where like the company has to let you off. No, well, what I mean is like a holiday, like a vacation. Oh, oh, so that's a EU law, not a country by country law. Oh, uh, yeah. Cause I think I was talking with Ever about that. Like, y'all have the luxury of like a mandatory like having a vacation, like a holiday off, however long that is, that your company has to acknowledge. America does not have that. Oh, you mean like universally in like Europe? Never mind. Uh, 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 hmm, I don't think so. Maybe the lucky ones. Maybe. Oh, I do have a problem though. Uh, uh, this is on that one. Hi. Uh, 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 that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna do. Um, mm, yes. I mean, there's another thing I'm gonna do. I just heard over there, sick days can be deducted from your if you're crazy. I've never taken a sick. Well, I mean, okay, wait. How that works is yes, it can be taken from your vacation time, but people that do that need the money, or the company doesn't like. Okay, it doesn't roll over, so like you can use it as a sick day, whatever. But your vacation time from year to year does not roll over. So like you can say that you're sick, but like it's like free money. Um Kinda. Like I said, like But to have like to use your vacation time as a sick day, your company has to like okay, wait. It's a bad situation if your company does not acknowledge you being sick and doesn't allow you to not take a vacation day. You okay, chat? I got my PTO denied multiple times this year. Ooh. See, that's what I've never been through is having my PTO denied. Never have I ever. I can't imagine my PTO being denied. Pay time off. Wait, let me. Yeah. Yeah. Basically vacation. Basically like holiday, but like company given holiday. Like you have so many hours per year. So that's something I should have negotiated more whenever I was getting hired onto my current job. Is like more vacation time than the standard vacation time. That would have been great. You can purchase more? That's crazy. Not like insane, but like that's convenient. Interesting, perhaps. Oh, yeah. I need to be able to add pictures to this. Um, mm, mm, mm. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. At least I can edit it. Um, sure. And then I'm gonna resolve it. No! Oh no. I messed up. Wait, wait. No! Oh no. Oh. What the heck? Yeah, sure, resolve that. I want to delete that actually. What the heck is that? That one. I'm really bad at requesting PTO, so I always carry over the 5 days. Yeah. It's almost September. Dang. You must love your job then. It's okay. It's okay to like your job. Yeah, these aren't problems. What did that say? Oh, these aren't problems. Hooray. Yes. Wait, there needs to be a translator? Wait, you went back to hating your job? Explain. Oh, you do need one. Oh. A comparison of rights in Slovenia and neighboring. They have to give you a month? Wow. Ah. A protected child who needs special care and protection. Couldn't it just be a child in general? Oh, my thumb. Oh, sorry. I messed up my thumb at work today and it hurts. And have a nice Christmas holiday. I need to use my days. What happens if you don't use your days? Like, yes, that 5 will roll over, but what about the 20? That just goes away. Austria is that close to Slovenia? You're that close to the song. Wait, to the sound of music? Is that the wait? Yeah. You lose them if they fire you or leave. They need to pay. You're kidding. You're kidding. They'll pay you if you have pending, like if you have a balance of vacation days. Wow. It must be nice to be a European. It really must be nice. I mean, that is a possibility. But I just so happen to live in the best country in the world, Texas. So I don't know. I mean, Texas exists. Preparation, childcare, and oh, not maternity leave. I mean, like just having a child in general, not having it, but just the child. Like if the child was like 4 years old, the other what was that? This one, this could just fall under having like a 4 year old, 5 year old child. Free? Wow. Interesting. Must be nice. Must be nice. Why is that not resolved? What the heck? Uh, no, 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 no. What's the thing on here? What's the title? Final. There we go. This has been resolved. What's the status of the resolved one? Resolved. How about that? Yeah. Except if for some reason you opt for a private school. Are private schools over there that much better? I mean, how does this work? There's really just that. Wow. What's your like most famous college or most like intellectual college in Slovenia? I can close that. I'm closing that. But this is really all that I need. And yeah, you gotta pay. So some people who want additional, they pay. Depends on the field. Our universities don't work like yours. Do your universities work more like apprenticeships? Oh, I apologize. What the heck? Wait a minute. Oh gosh. There isn't one. I can remove this. I can remove this. I'm just now looking at this. There's no way that's gonna work. Because like to have just a changeovers like tab and not have it, yeah, that's not gonna work. That is not going to work. So another thing that I could do is to one, goodbye, boom, and then two, hello, yeah, um, just do that. So I already have it, but what's gonna happen is what the heck? We can only become carpenters. No, like y'all have academic work, but like I don't know if y'all really. I don't know if over there you do more theoretical work than practical work in like real world experience. If y'all value that more compared to like in America, we do more like academic and like theoretical work. So that like if you go for like your masters and stuff like that, like in math, there's no field work. Oh, true. Unless you're a teacher. I don't know if like teaching is a different thing. Oh yeah, it is. Never mind. Well, there's no such thing as a math teacher. Fine. I don't think I need that. I don't need that. Changeover, no. Is this what needs to happen? No. Where is this coming from? What the heck? Huh. I think I can delete this component. Past changeovers. I don't know why that's named so weirdly. Let's try this. What? Wait. Where did that go? I don't think there's anything else I need to do right here. Oh no! Wait. The heck? Oh. Okay. This line. Let's get all that in there. Then in my HTML, I don't want to do that. At the fact that, for example, my university doesn't really have a campus. Hold up. Hold up. How do you pronounce that? Is this the newest one? Okay, yes, the J, but like there's an L right here. So is it lie? Lie ooh Liubliana. Liubliana. Is that good? Did I pass the test? Oh, Lee. Liubliana. Oh yeah, I can't do all the I can't. I'm not good at that. I don't know when to use it, how to use it. It's like rolling your R's in Spanish. I can't do that. I know like that it exists, but like there's an art to it. I can't do it. Hmm. I guess chat is just doing whatever he wants to in the living room. Like the letter R, you can't say it. Like not even like rolling your R's, huh? So it's like, huh? So the word like car, what would that sound like if you tried to pronounce the R in car? Huh? I've never heard that before. Mm, what would this be? Can I CLG it? I have CLG'd it. What? Wait, what? Uh, that's bad. So if I go here and go to my past changeovers, how is that? Hmm? Wait a minute. Is that what it's asking for? No. Load changeovers. So to do this, I take the what? Okay, that's what I do. Now, get doc is hmm? Line name equals that. All I'm doing is just putting that there. Now, the other one is where I'm kind of getting confused. CLGQ, just to see what it says. Yes, yes, yes. That's just a query. Then I, this changeover equals this, but that's not even, sure. Or, wait, sorry. Mm-mm. Signal, that. And then this dot changeovers dot, no, I said set. That? What? Can I do that? Let me just try it. No. All right. I'm taking this all the way out, and what I'm going to do is uh sorry. Uh CLG doc data that, and then do doc dot data. I want to know how I would do that. That's a campus. Huh? Okay. Why do these trees look transparent? Thank you. Why do these trees look transparent? Is it because I sneezed that hard? I forgot what they call this kind of campus, but that's still a campus. Oops. Why does my shirt look like that? I look crazy. Oh. Well, it's not gonna be a string. Wait. I really can just because changeovers isn't a thing right now. How would I? Yeah, build. Firestore. Uh, why is it so different? Hey, why can't I just go to the? Thank you. Get data. Get multiple documents from a collection. Get docs. I have that. Get docs. What? This isn't asynchronous. That's why. Oh, that tells me everything I need to know. Okay. So this I can really instead of doing that, I can do that and do that and see what the CLG says. Error, error, error. All right, cool. How many exists? Let's go back to the dashboard. How many changes have I done for that? How many changeovers have I done for this one? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? I really tried to be like a master programmer. I don't know how to clear this thing. Uh, how do you clear this thing? No. Mm. The heck? It's gonna restart. Easy. Where's the button? Is this the button? Oh. Oh. I was like, what? Never mind. Okay. So let's go back to F3. I don't have any more changeover. Wow, there's such a large. This is really large. And then this isn't large. Or at least it wasn't showing as large. Um, Maybe because I had notes. That's probably why. Okay, that makes sense. So, what's going to happen is is how am I gonna list this? Oh, this sucks. Like, fine. Map it? No. I don't even have a. I don't have that. Which makes me think, how am I even getting this? So I don't need to wait for that? That's weird. So from here, I'll map through all of them, but I need to make this is going to be that. So this dot change. No. What? I'm blanking right now. Hold up. Claude. There's so many things happening right now. Like, you probably can't hear it on the mic, but it's currently thundering right now, and it's really distracting. Um, would I add each document? Wait, each of these. No, I didn't save it. No, this sucks. I suck. Update? What the heck? I've never seen that in my life. What are you talking about? This. So dot update for real? Current? That? Huh? What the heck? Or if you want to replace the with new documents, that doesn't work. I tried this already. The key difference is it's a spread operator. All right. So this current, what? What is this current? Mm, oops. I don't know. Looking at your current code, you're already correctly adding each document to the array using that. This approach, yeah, I'm already, yeah, that makes sense. All right, fine. I'll just do that. What? I would do that instead of, yeah, okay, that makes sense now. Never mind, doesn't make sense. It's not assignable to the parameter, never. How about that? No. How about that? Wait. Huh? I want to get away from that. From any, you could create a proper interface. How about you stop judging me and type the signal correctly? So in here, wait. Then type that. Ah, query document snapshot. Snapshot. And this gives you proper type. I've never seen that before. Does this make a new query in the database? Query that. How about so in my changeovers? I think I would make my interface right here. Can I please make my interface right here? I cannot. What? What was that? I cannot. Interface. Change over. Is it equals? Nope. Not even equals. This is ID. You know what? I hate that I can't do that. This sucks. I hate. Um. Um, TypeScript. String. Strong. String. Uh, where's the error? Really? They have to be all the way up there. Jeez. Okay, so not ID. Well, I guess ID, but then I would. What would ID look like though? Set it and then CLG. It's not changeovers. How about that? Hey, Elpzy, how you doing? Elpsi. Wait, Elpsi? Elpzy? Was that intentional? Now my brain is hurting. But welcome to the stream. Um, really? So this would be, oh gosh. I'm working on finishing this changeovers feature to where I can view all of my past changeovers because changeovers is kind of what I do at my day job. And this is an application that I use on the daily. It's well, what I do on the daily is a cooling tower material. I make that. It's plastics manufacturing. But um right now, I'm working on a feature in here on my dashboard to where I can go down here, look at all my past changeovers, and yeah, yeah. What the heck? How about that? Does that work? Nope, that doesn't work. Also, here I struggle a lot. So, sorry, but I'm not a master programmer like the rest of y'all. What does changeover mean at that job? Well, how about these? How about all right. So, um, um, all right, you go out, right? Like crap. Matter of fact, these. I changed this out. Like, this is like it doesn't have the top on there. Anyways, wait, what? What just happened? Wait, what did you um basically this is a mold. It's supposed to have a top part, but it's not showing like the top part. But this is a mold, and like say for example, this makes like Tupperware basically. And say for example, we want to make a different shape of Tupperware now. Well, I have to take this entire thing out and put in a new shape. Not this, but maybe like a rectangle or something. And that's a changeover. Yeah. Yeah. Really? That's what it is? Oh. Sorry, I don't. Sorry. Is it also this? Is this also the correct way to say it or spell it? That's only in Britain though, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Oh, wow. How about this? Why is it so difficult? All right. So how about docs dot this is it, right? Dot for each doc. Can I do that? Is the process of manufacturing. I see mold, not mold. Uh-uh. How this isn't gonna work. This is not going to work because I mean, oops. Yes, but also no. Because like this is so different from use state. Yeah, I'm asking Claude, how can I make this into an expandable array? Or no, maybe not expandable. That may not be what I do. How did I get a follower? But I don't see it. What the heck? Oh, thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Wait, you agree with that? Thank you. Aluminum and herb. Wait, what's another spelling of herbs? Herbs? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is in Britain? What? Wait, who's a traitor? Wait, so wait. Do I am I supposed to say herb or herb? So herb. Huh? I I don't agree. And it didn't stay. Can y'all hear that? Can what the heck? Can could y'all hear that? So apparently when I get Amber do you get Amber alerts there? Apparently when I get Amber alerts, it doesn't show up on the microphone or anything. What the heck? Did my screen shake? Did my camera shake at all? Ooh, you spell you're wrong. Ooh. How would I do this? I'm so confused. How would I do this? Mm, mm. To the apostrophe, the almighty apostrophe. We need to fix your code in line 46. For each doesn't return anything, so you're setting the signal to undefined. Use this instead. How about no? No. Wait. That. This sets the signal to the entire array. If you need the actual data instead of the snapshots, use that. Oh my goodness, Claude. Oh, you have been useful for the first time in weeks. Oh. Oh. Huh? What's wrong? What did I do wrong? Why are you saying no, not a function? Hello? Hello? Restart? Oh, I'm not. Oh. I'm about to say, what? Then CLG this dot. Changeovers. Herd, herb, hero, herb, her, herb, here, herb. Easy. First try. See? See? Not that hard. Oops. Um. All right, let's try that. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let me lock in. Hold up. All right, hold up. 3, 2, 1. Herd, herb, hero, herb, her, herb, here, herb. Wait, I lost my place. Hold up. Herd. Wait. Wait. Hold up. Everything's moving. Hold up. Herd, herb, hero, herb, her, herb, here, herb, here, herb. I feel like I lost my place. No, I just lost my place. Would you laugh at someone with dyslexia? Is that what you're doing? Don't you feel bad about yourself? You would never know. You would never know. No, you put herb twice in a row somewhere. You put herb twice. Uh-uh. And how do I read? Okay, wait. Yes, you tutor people with dyslexia currently, but how about after like their dyslexia is cured? How about that? Have you like talked to them like 20 years down the line? I bet they read normally. You put herb twice. It feels like it. Didn't they make a Chrome extension for that? So technically, there kind of is a cure. Technically, I don't know how it works though, but like I've tried it and I don't see a difference. Is penicillin not a cure? It's a tool and a cure. Oh, now it's raining. Oh, this is so peaceful. Where do birds go when it rains? Don't fix the eyes. All right. Into the beach. Mm, now we're cooking. I think I got everything that I needed. So this is now going to be okay. Let's try to list all this stuff out. So for changeovers, all the changeovers, I want to show up like that. Oh gosh. What the heck? All right. Wait. For each one of these, I want to display changeover dot name. Does that work like that? Oh, it's not gonna work like that because this exists. That's not. Please work. Dang it. Does that work? Dang it. Oh, it's not even a name. Wait. Changeover dot ID. How about that? I don't know. There's scales? I don't know. I mean, I'm really good at math. If you had to think, then no. What if I forgot? For each one of these, okay, now what I do is, well, how about the ID of this is the changeover ID? Wait, please. No, dot ID. Yes? Well, I have to think about it because what's your definition of black skin? Because this is technically brown. Technically. But societally, it's black. So, see? See? This is where context or prompt engineering matters. Isn't there people with undiagnosed things. True. Very good point. Yeah, I'm just gonna say Elsi isn't a color, so you're colorless. What? Brown isn't a color, but my work isn't reading all day. It's machines. Machines don't are nuts and bolts don't have words on them. Well, they kind of do, but they don't. What? This is insane. And you said Wikipedia was a trusted source. So, does that work? But like, does the actual ID of this get set to? All right, cool. So, can you style this? Whoa, change. What the heck? Where'd that come from? Can you style this div to display all of the relevant information that goes along with changeovers? Well, my changeovers. Well, let's see what it says. Have to see how long I can string you along. Might not know what the issue is called. You may think this is if nobody points it out. True. Well, okay, wait. You don't notice me not being able to type. I just wanted to type can, and what came out was change. That's a very different word with very different keystrokes. Oh my goodness. Well, operator doesn't exist, but oh my goodness. When they're tired, I look tired. I look like trash. Is that what you're saying? Oops. Oh, whoops. This is going to throw an error though. So I look like a muscular, invisible person. Huh? Ooh. I don't have any duration minutes. Love it. What the heck? Hello? No, not object. Object. Please. From recipe product product. See, this is the importance of knowing your code base. Ugh. Yuck. All right. I'm going to have to fix all of this. This is horrible. Claude, you suck. What happened to you? You used to be so cool. Changeovers. Wait, this is the wrong one. I mean, aren't we all just objects? The start time. Oh, the date. Created at uh the, does that work? Oh gosh. Wait, what? Is that? Yes. Awesome. All right, now we're cooking. Now we are cooking. Operator, I don't think that I want to do that. I do. I do because it matters. This is what I'm gonna do. I want to get the name of the operator from my auth. Because I already have this is saying dot operator, but this is also a created by. Wait, I'm using the field created by in my document. Use the ID from that field. And then change that to that, save, and then boom. I asked if AI are objects. No, people are not objects. They are human beings with thoughts and feelings. That's what they want you to think. That's what AI wants you to think. Birds are objects. Humans are objects. Chat is an object. Um, I mean, we just call all kind of just exist on this big blue ball that we call Earth, and we should all love each other. I think that's the important message from this stream. Forget the changeovers. What the heck? Just ask your browser. Are birds objects? You know, if I keep on like asking these kind of things, I'm gonna end up on a FBI watch list. Are birds objects? Let's see what Gemini says. No, birds are not objects. Well, you're wrong sometimes. They are living creatures classified as animals within the kingdom of anime. Huh? Birds feel emotions? Huh? Okay. Whoa. What was it? It was. Yes, most animals do, but I didn't know birds did. They're birds. Oh. Was this on the top? Oh, this is what I meant by being the first one. Oops. What is this doing? I don't like this at all. This is just wrong. What did Claude just do? This is disgusting. It was doing so well. I just wanted to get it from my auth service because, like, the same way that I can pull it from, is it problem history? Uh, um, or just in my dashboard where, uh, let's go back here. Oh, no. Where no. Let's go to problems then. Huh? When I go to users, what comes up? Full name, first name. How about I just go to I just go to this and then wait. I don't want to do that. Clear. They dream of nice grass in the Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll probably stream tomorrow. Um, hope to see you soon. If not, no hard feelings and just spread positivity and continue being you. That's all I can say. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I need to figure out what to say. What do I say? Um, wait, should I even be using my auth service? User was data. Get this user. Wait, what? Get the current user from my get get the current user from my that one. Please don't mess this up. Please. All I want to do is just do that. Claude. Import auth service. Blah 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 blah. From here. And then uh observable based. Oh, wait. That one. I think that one. So I should put it here? Or, well, let's make a new one. Oops. Injectocito auth service. Auth service. Injectocito, cuz. What the heck? No, that one. So that. And then in here, this dot aha service, that one. Well, let's comment this out for now. That one. And then in here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Boom. No. User con. Wait. Con data equals any signal. What? Crypto. Why is that even? You know what? Uh, uh, user. Wait, wait. I should be doing this. Wait, no. This dot user with data dot set. Can I do that in my constructor? This dot all service dot user with data dot to crap. Now I don't know how to do that. Maybe I should just make a new function. How about that? Get user where how does that work? Oh. So from here, I guess. Sure, I would do that. Also, invoke that. And then in here, I would just. And then user with data dot two six. See, equals to signal. There. Oh my goodness. Um, that, please. Wait, no. User with the data. How about that? Why? Why? User equals user with data. Current user. Do both of those. But why did I do that? Wait, instead of doing that, which one did it tell me to do? User with that data stream. Kind of don't want to do that. User with fire. And where am I doing that at? Equals. Let's try that. Is that it? Uh, wait, what? Okay, and then I would do dot user data. No, no, no. I would still set it. Huh? That. How about that? Please work. No. No, not that. That's a feel though. Huh. Or this one. This one has to work. What? It's stale, I think. Mm, 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 mm. Thank you. No, it's not stale. I'm just wrong. All right. So, mm, that's not doing it. Thank you. Wow. I don't like this. I forgot about this. Sorry. Thank you. Forgot about this right here. Wait, where is it? This one right here. All right. Yeah, I'll do full name. Cool. Now, from here, the duration. Let's do changeover. Start time. End time. Changeover dot duration. Huh. What would that be? Whoa. What would that look like? That kind of makes sense. Uh, no. Date. Tall. All right. So this one right here. Nope. Hold up. Do the math from the start time to the end times. All will bow. Oh gosh. Uh, do the to make it look better. Uh, e.g. days, hours, minutes, format. Only show days if necessary. How about that? It's kind of doing all right. It's kind of doing all right. I would not have made that code. It broke. What? It broke. Format duration. Is there another time thing here? No. So from here, where's this being invoked? Where is this being invoked? Hello? I'm passing this in. Oh, I'm just invoking it here? Hey, didn't know that was possible. The perks of using Angular. But there are so many cons. This didn't take a day. I know this didn't take a day. Created that. Wait. There's no way that took a day. You're kidding. End time. Start time. Oh, is this the wrong one? Oh, sorry. Sorry, Claude. I'll never doubt you again. I'm sorry for the flashbang. All right, so far so good. Um, what else do I want? That's stupid. Claude, you suck. Okay, so if there are notes, I want to do that. What's in the notes? What do I want to display that's so amazing? And keep in mind, these notes do have pictures in them. So I'm going to have to incorporate Firebase storage into this. Oh, the horror. The horror. Okay. Notes. Is this where we even do that? This is a dead thing now. I think I can delete that. But in the form is where I'm doing all of that stuff at. So there's a notes thing right here. Okay. Uh oh, whoa, it's been that long. What's up? How you doing? Yes. I wanted to look a little bit more professional. Do I look a little bit more astute, studio? I want to display all of the relevant info from my notes in a changeover. This is the current format of in, in inside of the uh feel free to use Firebase storage to retrieve a relic picture with a note. I know ever this may be a little bit long um of a prompt and doing too many things that you say, but trying. Um Finally finishing up the changeovers feature. I have it to where I can make a changeover. I just want to be able to like view all of my past ones that have been um towards a certain line. Also, I'm gonna clean this up too, to where this is just like the IDs of it. I'm going to only show the names, what it's going from and going to. Oh, this is a project that I'm using for mi trabajo. Let me link it to you actually. Hold up. Um, let's go here. Psych. All right, hold on, I got you. I mean, currently not all that accessible, but currently not all that accessible, but just based off of like the home page, it's really just a site for like documenting what you do at a thermoforming job and how to like optimize your processes. That's kind of like the main goal. True. But I'm not Microsoft. I won't pay you if you hack it. If you hack it, you just hack it. That's on you. Mm. Hmm. This isn't gonna do what I wanted to do, I don't think. Because I don't think it's oh, wait. What Claude, I swear. Me? Commissions? On what? I'm not in sales. Oh, it did it. I'm so happy. Okay, that's cool. I think all that I need now. Wait, wait. Now I want to show the name of each product rather than the ID of the product. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to make each one of them collapsible. And then that's it. And then we are donezo. Oh, yes. Yes. Um, but right now I just don't feel like streaming that. I don't know why. But yeah. Wait, you got an ad? I'm sorry. I don't run ads, but I'm sorry. What the heck? Hey, stop throwing errors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That looks good. I can already see it now. Wait, let me look at this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What the heck? Okay. Please work. Please work. What? That's not real. Well, okay, let's just say this is not real and I don't have a changeover yet. Fine. Bleh. If I don't have any. All right, that's cool. But now, the last step that would make me happy, at least for now, that I can think of changing, make it collapsible. Make each div that when it's collapsed, only show the from into and the date when the changeover. Is this the start of it? Uh, uh, no, started. Started. How much has my thing changed? I saw an on hover. Mm-mm. But wait, while I still have this, wait a minute. So they're all expanded. One, wait. On default, have them all be. I'm pretty sure I can just classical states. Return this false. I want this to be true. How about that? Thank you. Wow. I didn't even have to invoke Claude for that. All right, cool. So now only show the changeovers that have been completed. Ooh. In the document, the field is active. All right. How about that? So I currently have an active one. So it should just not show this one. And then let me go back here, do that, stop that, complete changeover, go to the past one. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I messed up. Whoa. Wow, record time. Then be collapsed by default. Because for some reason, me doing that won't. Oh, what the heck? I thought you're already in here. What's up? Again. Hello. Oh, that's how you do it? Oh. Whoa. Huh? Something feels weird about this. Okay, so do it. So change it back to false, what it was before. That makes no sense. What? Okay, that makes sense. You're right, Claude. I'll never doubt you. Wait, how many how many accounts do you have? Yes, this works. I'm just gonna roll with this. Not the biggest fan of how it does that, but we'll rock with it. But I mean, It works. I'm going to delete this, and then we're good. We're good. What I'm going to do, actually, the next stream that I have, it's time. It really is time. I have to do it. It's a refactor stream. I'm sorry. And it's gonna be terrible. The next stream that I do is gonna be a refactor stream. Because I have way too many type any's in here. It's not gonna work long term. So stay tuned for more struggle, more ridiculous moments that I just forget commas and capitalized letters. This is gonna be disgusting. But I finished this. Oh wait, hold up. Sorry. Let me put it on camera. Um finish the past changeovers page. And since I'm doing this, past changeovers, not the form, but changeover notes, don't need ya later. What? What'd I do? Is it about routes? I have no use for this. Past changeovers. Changeover notes. Doesn't exist either anyway, so bye. Bye. Cool. Please don't break. That's the past changeovers page. That's kind of it. That's the description of it. Oh, do you like that emote? Yeah. Yeah. I may go back bald. But let me commit this. And then that's it. That's it. So, uh, thank you for watching. Thanks for being you. I will be back tomorrow, and tomorrow will be a struggle stream. I'm telling you. Do not watch if you want to watch a master programmer at work because it's not gonna be that. I am telling you right now. It's going to be terrible. You're going to be watching someone that is learning on the fly with Claude and Ever. Thank you, Ever. But I'm leaving. I'm resting. Bye. Balloons. Bye.